Alright, robot, we're going to fix this window today, which as you can see has slipped off the track. This here is a 2003 Dodge Caravan, but most of these Dodges are something similar to this. First thing you're going to do is undo these three screws. This is a required tool, is a Phillips screwdriver. There's this one here, there's one down here on the bottom of the door. Right there it is. I'll be back with you when I do that, or by the time I'm finished. Alright, robot, now that the screws are out, this thing here is going to just kind of pop up and out. There are body panel things that hold that door on. We're going to carefully try not to mangle that thing. And we're also going to carefully try not to mangle the inside door thing. The way we're going to accomplish that is slide this thing off the hook. This thing right here, see, this hooks in like this. We're going to slide it off. We're going to pop this thing here, and we're going to drop this out so that comes off. We're going to unhook this thing here, which unplugs the door. Go. Now we should be able to get this one off pretty easy. Alright, now that thing's off. That was about a 4-second job. Now we got to readjust our window and get access to it. I can't remember. These are actually also Phillips screws, so we're going to undo that speaker. Just because it's easier if you do. Likely they'll lose the screws. Yep, there we go. We don't need to take that one all the way out. All we need to do is get that open. Now what happens is that there's a clip, which I'll show you in a minute. Hang on for a minute. Alright, now we have to reattach the trigger that runs the window up and down. I've already got the key on. Now that I've done that, we should be able to run the window up carefully so as not to A, screw it up, and B, get it aligned just right, because what we want is the adjustment to be right there so that we can install the little clip properly. Here we go. See, it's this little white thing that's our problem. That's where the clip is. Now we're going to realign the window. So we can reinstall that thing with the clip. Get it? This little metal clip right here. Has to align with the little steel peg that's on the bottom of the window. If we do it just right, it'll be easy. If we don't do it just right, it'll be totally impossible. You can feel on the back of here where the hole is. And it just pops right on there just like that. Get it? Now we're in business. All right, now to put it all back together. That wasn't terrible. Now here's the thing, as Scotty what's-his-face would tell you, the real problem is that these things are pieces of junk, these cars, and very often require this kind of half-assed repair. And so if you own one of them, you better be used to it. Anyway, that's all we got. It only took, let's see, 7 minutes and 55 seconds, so I'm calling it good.